Okay, back to this. I just answered the phone and talked to you. So hopefully you can see that 27 is a cube root. 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. And hopefully you can see that 8 is, the 2 is cubed, is 8. 2 times 2 times 2. Here, I have this piece of paper I want to show you. This kind of shows you 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 3 is 9, 4 times 4 is 16, 5 times 5 is 25. What would really help is if you can kind of put these in your memory. These are perfect cubes. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, 27 is 3 times 3 times 3, 64 is 4 times 4 times 4, 5 is 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. If you could kind of remember that, maybe write those down, might be something that you want to try to put in your memory, it will help. So now back to this problem. So now if we take the cube root of this term, this right here is our A. This right here. So right up here, this is the difference where you see A, here's our A. This now becomes our B because the cube root of 8 is 2a squared, or a to the 6th. That's the cube root. So there's our A and there's our B. So now we're just going to go up here and put it in this formula. Because we have difference, we use this formula. So here I go. Here's A, 3x. I got it from this A right here, 3x, minus B, which is 2a squared, parenthesis, and then parenthesis. Now A, you have to square it. Remember, A is 3x. Here's the A. Here I could even put it right here. This is the A. Remember, this is the B. So A is squared. Notice I just put a square by it. This one says take A and B, and multiply it. See, here's the A, and here's the B. And this one says take B and square it. Take A and square it. So I got to go ahead. You can square 3 and get 9. You can square x and get x squared. And you can multiply these two. 2 times 3 is 6. And you got the x and the ax squared. And then you square b, which is 4. And you square a squared. 2 times 2 is 4. So there's your answer. That's it. That's how you do it. Does it make sense? You need to know the formula up above for sum and difference, and you also need to put into your memory these cubes. So you can see that 8 is a cube, 27 is a cube, has a cube root, 64 has a cube root, 125 have a cube root. If you can identify that, then when you go to see something like up here, you can see that, oh, that's 3 times 3 times 3. Oh, that's 2 times 2 times 2. And 3 will go into x once, and 3 will go into 6 twice. As long as these variables up here have an exponent that's divisible by 3, then you can cube those too. And that's it. Now I'm going to try to send it to you.